To install YouTube TV on your TV, start by ensuring your device is compatible with the YouTube TV app. This app is available on a variety of devices, including smart TVs, streaming devices, and gaming consoles. Check the YouTube TV website for a list of supported devices. Next, go to the App Store on your device. This could be the Google Play Store on an Android TV, the App Store on an Apple TV, or the Roku Channel Store on a Roku device. Search for YouTube TV in the App Store and select the app from the search results. Click the Install button to download and install the YouTube TV app. This may take a few moments, depending on your internet connection speed. Once the app is installed, click the Open button to launch the app. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, you can create one for free. Enter your email address and password to sign in. Then click the Next button. After signing in, you will be asked to agree to the YouTube TV Terms of Service. Read through the terms, then click the Agree button to continue. You will then be taken to the YouTube TV home screen, where you can browse through the available channels and start watching live TV. To access the full range of YouTube TV features, including cloud DVR and personalized recommendations, you will need to complete the setup process. Click the Get Started button, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. This includes selecting your location, choosing your channels, and setting up your cloud DVR. Once you have completed the setup process, you can start watching live TV and on-demand content on your TV using the YouTube TV app. Remember to always use a strong and unique password for your Google account, and to keep your account information up to date to ensure you can access all of the YouTube TV features. By following these steps, you can easily install YouTube TV on your TV and start enjoying live TV and on-demand content.